Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name's Catherine. Nice to meet you. Long time no see. It's been a hot minute because of school, work, everything, you know, the drill. But I'm back, and if you didn't, or if you don't follow me on Instagram, you wouldn't know that I actually had time to film last week, but I accidentally deleted half my footage. So here I am trying to film another video. Hopefully everything goes okay and you guys actually see this video, because that'll be very frustrating if you don't see it. Anyways, as you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a numbers fix my makeup, and I saw Alyssa Ashley do this, and also not Nikita, and also Nikki Tutorials do this, so I decided I wanted to do this, and I'm going to be doing what Alyssa Ashley did, and she just did for her eyes. So today I'm going to be using the James Charles palette, and decided to use this one because it has 39 shades and it's very colorful. So we'll see what the numbers pick, and that's about it. So let's just, I haven't done this intro in so long, I don't know how to speak. And that's about it, so let's just jump straight into this video. Okay, so I have my trusty little bowl right here with all the numbers. I think I'm gonna pick 5 numbers. Yes, so let's just start. Okay, the first number is number 27. 39, the last number, the last color, I mean. Focus, come on. 39. That's the bright pink. Oh my gosh. Okay, next number is 26. Ooh. Oh, that's another blue. Right there. Do you see it? Let's see. Ooh, my neighbors are out. Hey. 22. Last number. Let's pick you. We have number 21. Why am I getting all the 20s? Alright, I'm back. This is the look I created off camera. I kind of played the system a little because obviously the blue and pink mixed together make purple. So, I mean, added a bit more color. But yeah, this is what I did. So I'm going to show you how I did it on the other eye. So first I'm going to prime my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Neutral. And I've been liking doing my eyebrows after all my makeup so that there's no foundation or color in my brows. So now that my eye's nice and primed, I'm going to first start with the shade Playground, which is that bright blue shade. And I'm just going to pack this in and above my crease. So especially if you're going in with a sticky base, like you're not setting your concealer, you want to pat and then blend. And you want to be very light when you're blending because you don't want the color to go everywhere. And I'm also going to take it a bit out so that it kind of points. Now I'm going to go in with the bright pink shade, which is Skip, and pack that right above where I put the blue. So I'm just going to pack it. It's really going to look crazy, but just trust the process. You see how immediately it's blending into the blue and turning purple? That's exactly what we want. So now that we packed a bit of it, oh my gosh, can I speak? Now that we packed it on, I'm going to take off the excess off the brush and use it to blend just like I did with the blue shade. Again, you want to be very light when you're blending because you don't want it to overpower the whole eye. And I'm using a smaller brush because I really want it concentrated on top of the blue. Alright, so now that it's blended, you can see that the blue is higher up on this eye, and that's because I'm going to go back in with the blue and blend it a bit up so that there's not so much purple. I feel like it's been so long since I've had fun with makeup, so I love doing these challenges because it really pushes me out of my comfort zone and makes me try weird looks like this. I'm going to cut the crease with my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm running out of my Tarte Shape Tape, but it's only available at Ulta in the States, so I have to wait to go to the States to get it. And the exchange is not happening here in Canada versus the US. It's so bad. Okay. Alright, so I cut it almost all the way because as you can see on the side, I put the brown in the outer part of the eye, so I don't feel the need to cut the whole thing. So now I'm going to go in with the bright turquoise shimmer in Hello, and I'm going to pack that right where I cut the crease. So I brought this side a little higher than this side, so I'm going to take a bit more of that blue shadow, the matte one, and kind of just blend on top just to make sure it shows. Now I'm going in with the shade 10% off and packing that right in the outer part of my eye. And 10% off is a little warm for this look, but what can you do? It's a challenge. Now I'm going to take the shade No Beans and kind of do like a faux liner with it and blend it into the shade 10% off. I'm going to take it on a more blender brush and pack some on and then just blend it together. More of 10% off and make sure, oh, wrong side, make sure it's nice and blended with Hello. And then I'm just going to take a bit of that Hello shade and make sure that it shows that it's blending with the brown. Okay, that's nice. It's a bit more intense than I would like it to be, like the brown I mean. So now that the eyes are finished, that's pretty much the video. I'm going to go off camera and do the rest of my face. And this is the completed look. I really like how this look turned out, and I'm really glad I did this challenge because, like I said while I was filming, it really allows me to step out of my comfort zone, try new things, try new looks, and honestly, never would I have thought to do this look, so that's why I love doing these challenges. So if you guys know of any challenges that you want to see me recreate, please leave a comment down below so I can do it, because I'll have a lot of fun doing it, and you guys will hopefully have fun watching it. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this look. All the products that I use on my face I will also link down below if you guys want to know what I used. I just will say one thing, I'm testing out the e.l.f. foundation, and the fragrance in it is so strong, like I still smell it, kind of getting a headache from it. So if you guys are sensitive to fragrances, don't buy this foundation. It smells like an old person's perfume. It looks nice, it's very matte and full coverage, so I'm kind of worried it might look cakey throughout the day, but yeah, other than that, I think that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Like I said, leave a comment down below of any challenges you want to see me film, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye guys.